After a very active Thursday with our weather in North Florida, fall weather is moving in for the weekend. I'm meteorologist Vanessa Alonso with your UF weather forecast. Temperatures this morning are slightly cooler in the lower 60s. Some spots maybe the upper 50s with a mix of sun and clouds and some isolated light rain showers, and that's going to continue throughout the day today. Not everyone's going to be dealing with the rain, but all of us are going to deal with mostly cloudy skies, maybe a few peaks of sunshine here and there, but all of us are going to be dealing with much cooler air filtering in behind our front, as some of you are going to be staying in the upper 60s, most of us into the mid 70s. We're going to have a breezy wind coming in today along with the cloud cover and the isolated rain showers. By lunchtime, most of us are going to still be around the upper 60s near the Georgia-Florida line into most of northern Florida, including Gainesville, 73 degrees in some spots. As we head into the afternoon, upper 60s, lower to mid 70s. With the clouds and the isolated light rain showers. Clouds are going to slowly start breaking up a little bit as we head into our Friday evening. By Saturday morning, we're going to have a little bit more sunshine and also much cooler, crisp fall air moving into the region. 51 is the low we are expecting for Saturday morning. Upper 40s near the Georgia-Florida line. So definitely a great weekend is ahead for us, and just in time for Halloween on Sunday, as we're only going to be topping out in the lower to mid 70s throughout the weekend with more sunshine in the forecast for your Sunday. And on Saturday, probably most of you are heading to Jacksonville for the Florida versus Georgia game. Great football fall-like weather with temperatures in the 60s with a mix of sun and clouds. And this very nice fall-like weather pattern is going to continue as we head into early next week. Highs in the 70s, overnight lows in the 50s. But then by midweek next week, we're going to be seeing those temperatures slightly go up into the upper 70s to near 80 degrees.